Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest beauty products. Today, we're excited to showcase the best Eyepads Eyelash Extensions Kit, the 100 pairs set premium under eye gel pads for eyelash extension by STACY LASH. Whether you're a professional lash artist or someone looking to enhance their beauty routine at home, these iPads are designed to elevate your eyelash extension experience. So, what makes the STACY Lash Under Eye Gel Pads stand out in the crowded beauty market? Firstly, let's talk about their premium formulation. Each pad is infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin C and aloe vera, known for their hydrating and soothing properties. This means that while you're getting your lash extensions done, your skin is also being pampered, making it a perfect dual-purpose product. These gel pads are crafted to be lint-free, which is crucial during the delicate process of applying eyelash extensions. Lint-free materials ensure that no tiny fibers interfere with the adhesive or the overall finish of your lashes. Plus, they're incredibly thin, allowing your skin to breathe, which is essential for those with sensitive eyes. The last thing you want during a lash session is discomfort, and these pads are designed with that in mind. One of the highlights of the STACY Lash Under Eye Gel Pads is their ease of use. Unlike traditional tape, which can be harsh and uncomfortable, these gel pads are easy to apply and remove. They feature an adhesive back that sticks securely throughout your lash extension session, providing excellent isolation of the lower lashes while protecting them from glue. This means you can focus entirely on achieving that perfect set of lashes without worrying about anything slipping or coming loose. The convenience factor is further enhanced by the packaging. 100 pairs come in a well-organized container, making it easy to grab a pair whenever you need them. This is especially beneficial for lash artists who perform multiple sessions a day. Now, let's talk about application. The STACY Lash Gel Pads are not just functional, they're also designed to fit comfortably around your eye area. Their unique shape contours to the natural curves of your face, allowing for maximum comfort. You can easily apply them and adjust them as needed during the session. Plus, there's no sticky residue left behind after removal, ensuring a clean finish every time. The moisture-rich formula ensures that your under-eye area stays hydrated, which is a significant benefit during long sessions. It's all about creating a relaxing experience for your clients or yourself, and these pads help achieve just that. Now, why should you choose the STACY Lash Under Eye Gel Pads over other products on the market? For one, they've gained recognition as an Amazon's Choice product, with thousands of satisfied users highlighting their quality and effectiveness. Their commitment to using skin-friendly, nourishing ingredients sets them apart from many competitors who may not prioritize skincare in their beauty tools. Moreover, at a price point of $20.49 for 100 pairs, these gel pads offer great value, especially considering their quality and the added skincare benefits. When investing in beauty products, you want something that not only performs well but also cares for your skin, and this product delivers on both fronts. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best iPads for eyelash extensions, look no further than the STACY Lash 100 Pairs Set Premium Under Eye Gel Pads. They provide comfort, convenience, and care, making them an essential tool for anyone involved in the lash extension process. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your beauty routine or professional practice with these outstanding gel pads. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay beautiful.